All right, guys, I'm gonna get a good one for you guys today. We're here, Orlando, Dezerland, car museum, a lot of cars, movie cars, stuff like that. So I'm gonna take you guys along with us today. Hope you guys enjoy this. We'll go walk around inside to see everything they have going on here. I'm sure this is gonna be a good one. All right, let's go in and see what's going on. Hope you guys enjoy this. All right, you guys, we're in. We're inside. Hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. I know I'm gonna enjoy showing you guys all this stuff. All right, so this big car here was in The League. Sean Connery.
Hi, sir. Sorry. Careful touching vehicles, please.
All right.
My name is Benji. I'm just a tour guide. So.
No problem, Benji. Thanks. All right, we got a bunch here. Just gonna be walking down through. I'm not gonna be telling you guys what every car is. I mean, this is pretty easy right here, huh? The Mystery Machine from Scooby-Doo. It's not very hard to figure out. Old Cadillac that they built. Would you like to cruise around with that? Elvis car. Gets us a bike. Look at this VW. Back to back. All right. So this is going to be it where we're going to walk in. So you walk in here and then you walk around. I do believe there's going to be a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff. This is the world's longest car. It's right here. Longest car in the world. So we'll walk along that and I'll show you guys. All right, here we go. We're gonna have some movie cars here. We're gonna have the car from the Green Hornet and also the car from Christine right here. Look at this, the car from Christine. If you guys remember that movie, John Carpenter's movie, Christine. Look at this, a Fury. Look how nice this is. Beautiful. Beautiful car. The car from the Grinch. Looks like an old Hudson. And then we got the car here. This one is from a Green Hornet. See where the stuff's coming out the front here? Use a 65 Chrysler Imperial to do this. Barris did this. George Barris Customs. You know, George Barris is like one of the best customizers ever. All right, we got another Mystery Machine. This is gonna be fun here. We got a Mystery Machine, and then we're gonna have some stuff from the Dukes of Hazzard, the old Duke boys. Look, we got Roscoe's car here. Roscoe Pico train. We got Daisy's Jeep right here. Remember Daisy's Dixie Jeep? And we got Bo and Luke's Charger. Look at this, beautiful stuff. You got the old cast right here. Matador, AMC. There's James Besson right there. Roscoe Pico train. Looks really good. All right, let's go to the next room. All right, we're in the next room. We got Kit, David Hasselhoff's car, Kit, from Knight Rider. Right there. Then that was Kit 2000, when they did another series later on. Kit 2000. It's even got the light here. So we'll walk around and look and see. They got a lot of stuff. We've got Mr. Bean's car over there. Got some stuff from Indiana Jones here. Shanghai Knights car right here. Kit convertible. I didn't even know they had a convertible on the show. Terminator 3, The Rise of the Machine. See how all the gunshots, all the bullet holes, everything in it. Mission Impossible 2, Tom Cruise. These two bikes here. I guess they use Triumphs in the movie. Pretty impressive stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying this. All right. We're gonna have the Ghostbusters car coming up right here. Look at that, Ghostbusters. Now this is a beautiful rendition. I don't know if it's a movie used, if it was part of the movie or what. This is beautiful. Really did a nice job with this one. All right, got one here, Inspector Gadget car. We got the A-Team. We got the car from Greece. The real car from Greece. 1948 Ford Deluxe. Grease Lightning. Isn't that something? Grease Lightning. It's got a metal flake paint on it. Really nice. I don't know who did these back in the day, because the movie I think was in 1978. The old van from A-Team right here. You guys remember who was on that? Mr. T. The A-Team. All right, we got the Monkeys car. Some of you guys might remember the TV show The Monkeys. This is another George Barris creation. There's so much stuff here. There's so many cars. It's overwhelming. Might have to make this a two-parter because there's so much stuff. Another Terminator. No, not Terminator. What is that? 1996. I'm not sure. They use it. It has something to do with Star Wars. The Saint, Roger Moore. This is quite incredible, though. See that? George Barris, you know? That's all fake. That's not even real motor there. All right, there's another George Barris creation right here. Dragula. And there's another one over on the other side. I'll walk over and look at it. Look at this, beautiful stuff. That's good that music started and you got the bikes that go with it right here. Peter Fonda's bike. Yep, right there. That's Peter Fonda's bike from the movie. Here's another George Barris creation from the Monsters. There's so much stuff that you just go buy some of it. Car from Herbie, fully loaded. Chitty Chitty Bang Bang car right here. Then sit inside a Starsky and Hutch from the movie. Gran Torino. RoboCop. couple cars from RoboCop. Looks like a Ford, maybe a Ford Fusion or something like that. There was a Back to the Future car here, I'm sure, but they must have taken it out to go put it on display somewhere. They must have had the time machine sitting right there. But it's gone. All right, we got the car from Miami Vice. Remember the kit car Ferrari from Miami Vice until they sent them to Testarossa? We got the Speed Racer car, and we got the car from Magnum PI. Tom Selleck's car that he drove in Magnum. Cars from Dick Tracy right there. All right, let's go over and see. We'll go to the next room now. We're gonna have a lot of the Fast and the Furious stuff here. This building here is like it used to be a mall or something, and it is full. They filled it up. They have restaurants, they have everything in here. Bowling alleys. Mitsubishi. Got ourselves a Mitsubishi right here from Fast and the Furious. Look at the Grand National. All smashed up from the movie. I like how they have all these posters behind to show what's going on. So this was a stunt car for the movie. Look at all these cars. It's probably a stunt car too, the way it's set up there. She's in rough shape. Mad Max. We got the Mad Max car right here. Isn't this something? The old police interceptor car. This is when they made the first Mad Max in Australia. See the motor here. See how that's sitting? But that's not real. Beautiful place. This person here has got quite a collection. Oh, you got somebody using the machine. All right, we got cars from London here. Stuff like that. Couple English cars here. Rolls Royce. All right, movie cars from the Great Gatsby. Got some more English cars here. Just gonna do a quick walk around here. I won't be able to tell you guys much about these cars, except they're from the 40s, I can tell you that. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, can you tell me where the Grey Poupon is? No? He doesn't want to talk to me, I guess. All right, let's go see what else. See, as usual, you got one of those Rolls Royces, probably got the, is it the oil suspension that doesn't work as usual. All right, let's see what else we got here. We're gonna have a beautiful Chrysler lounge here. I can see a lot of nice Chryslers in there. Rolls Royce. We're gonna go look at the Chrysler lounge. Gonna have some beautiful, I can see some nice 300, some leather cars in here. Some beautiful leather. You know, they made the 300Cs and the Ds and Imperials. Look at this. A beautiful New Yorker. Imperial. Another Imperial. They both sure made some nice cars. Beautiful stuff. See how everything is set up with the tables? Got a counter. This part right here probably used to be, who knows, it could have been a Tommy Hilfiger store. Now it has all the Chrysler cars. Look at the beautiful color on that. Another beautiful Imperial. They're all Imperials, I think, that are in here. Got a 300G Imperial. Beautiful cars. Beautiful stuff here. Look at this. Oh, wow, this is a really nice one. So this right here is going to be the Imperial Lounge. This is when the cars had the big bumpers. Look at the bumpers. Look at everything. All right, I'm gonna come out of here, gonna go over here in the Germany stuff. They got a lot of beautiful stuff here. We'll go over, take a quick look over here. This is the European stuff. Before I go to the European stuff, I wanna go to the good old muscle cars. I got a Volkswagen Beetle here, convertible, all painted up, looks nice. Got a car from Toy Story movie. Another Volkswagen. Let's go look at the muscle car stuff, see what they have here. A Volkswagen. Got a, oh, I'm not sure what that is. Is that a 55? Yo, side pipe, something like that. I do believe that's going to be a 55 there. Might be, I'm not quite sure. Look at the seats. Look at the seats in this one. Airbags must not work in that. Got a couple Mach 1 Mustangs. L82 pace car, 78. Got a Screaming Chicken Firebird sitting right there. I thought maybe it was going to be a 10th anniversary, but it's not because it doesn't have the gray interior. Mach 1, Mach 1. Trans Am, Cadillac. These cars were not the best things they ever made. Oh, but I want to show you guys. Look at this. I don't know if some of you guys will remember this. See this bra, leather bra? That's what they called it, Le Bra. This was like in the 80s. Stuff from the 80s. Mercedes. Really nice stuff. Yeah, a little bit overwhelming though. There's so much stuff here. So much. European corner. They got bicycles. Lightning McQueen. They made it what it looks like a Mitsubishi 3000 GT, something like that. Hudson Hornet. Ferrari from The Dark Knight. Porsche, but that doesn't look right. Something looks off on that. Might have been a car made for a movie car. All right, let's go look at the Batman exhibit. All right, you guys, let's go look at a Batman. All right, for you guys who are watching this video, this might be where I'm gonna cut it off here, and I'll say, go see part 2. We'll start with the Batman.